Hey y'all, welcome back to another natural hair tutorial. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I am going to achieve this look. So first off, I'm going to start to prep my hair using my Cream of Nature Curl Enhancing Cream. It's my go-to product. If you all watch my videos, you already know I use this product in every single one of my videos. It's actually my go-to and it transforms my hair within minutes. Look at that, guys. My hair already looks more voluminous. It looks more shiny and more healthy. Can I just be like a brand ambassador for this product? The way how I use so much of it. So guys, I'm going to start by sectioning my hair, the front of my hair actually, in 3 sections. So the base for where my crochet braid is going to be, it's not going to be too complicated. I'm just going to like plait 3 braids in front. For the back section, I'm just going to like pull that in one. So I'm not going to plait any braid in the back section of my hair. I'm just going to like pull that in one. So as you can see, I'm going to like plait another braid on each side of my hair. I know I'm looking all crazy right now. So I'm just gonna free part my hair using my fingers, and I'm gonna do my braid. So as you can see, using my bobby pins, I'm going to pin down each side of my hair also, because as you all can see, it's not going to go back into the ponytail that I did to the back. I have to pin it down because my hair is very short. So this is the base on where I'm going to lay my crochet braid. The hair I'm going to be using is a lulutress in 18 inches. It's in the color 1B. So I really don't want this style to be like long, so I decided to cut my extensions, because as I mentioned, it's 18 inches. So I cut my extensions in half, and then I fold that into another half, and that's what I'm going to use to crochet, and it's the length that I wanted, so it worked out really fine. Before I did my crochet, I decided to split my extensions to make it more easier for me when my hair is all done. It's the extension just going to be like already split into, and I don't have to do much separation. But as I continue to do each crochet, I realized that it was kind of giving me like a little trouble to go through the needle, so I decided to apply the extensions individually as I go along. This method was easier for me instead of the splitting before I added in the extensions. It was like kind of stringy, because one thing I noticed about this hair, it's really stringy. It was literally driving me crazy, guys. It was like shedding a lot, so I decided to do the crochet as it came. So I didn't split anything again. I decided to work with how the hair actually came. It made it more easier and much more simpler to apply to my hair. So for the back of my hair to look really nice and flawless, I'm going to just like crochet each piece of extensions close to my bun as possible. As you all just saw, make sure and crochet your extensions close to your bun, so it looks really natural when your hair is complete. So I saw a wig like this that I wanted to purchase, and then I decided that I'm not going to purchase the wig anymore, because I came across this lulutress water wave that I had already lying around, and I decided that I'm going to like cut it and make it my own, like custom made wig except it's like crochet on my natural hair. So I decided to do that, and it worked out really great. The hair, oh guys, I forgot to mention that I did use 2 packs of the lulutress hair to get the fullness and thickness that I wanted. So if you all are looking to try this style, you all can just buy like 2 packs, because since this is like 18 inches and you cut your extensions, it's going to be enough for your whole entire head. So 2 packs is going to be enough if you decide to try out this particular style. So I'm all to the front of my hair now, and I'm just going to like fill in any space where I believe my extensions are going to fall, because I'm actually going for a bang look, a curly bang look. That is the style that I'm going for. So I'm just going to like fill in any space that I see where my natural hair is, because I don't want my natural hair to be showing too much. But it doesn't have to be like perfect, because when you split your curls, it's going to like split really nice and full, so it does look really nice and natural. All you have to do is just make sure that the spaces where you want your curls to fall, make sure that it's filled in really nicely with your extensions, and that's it. It's going to be really nice and thick when you split your extensions. So the back of my head was really feeling like thin. It didn't have enough hair, so I went back and crocheted more hair to the back section of my hair. So I just used my fingers and I felt around and make sure that it does not have any more spaces. So where I felt that it needed more hair, I just crocheted some more hair individually. So as you can see, I'm going to like split my curls now. I wanted to split it like before I did my crochet, but it wasn't working out for me. It was really tying up in the needle, so I decided to split it afterwards. So I'm just going to continue to split my hair, make it really nice and full and thick and beautiful, because I love how it's looking right now. I'm just going to use my fingers and pull apart the curls, and it really looks natural, guys. What do you guys think? I think that the look really came out natural. So I'm just going to continue to pull apart my curls and make sure that it's really split and look as natural as possible, because I can't tell you all how happy I am every time I do a protective style and it comes out the way how I want it, and especially if it comes out really nice and natural looking. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you guys how happy I feel whenever this happens, because you know, sometimes when you're styling your hair, it does not come out the way you want it all the time. So whenever you do a style and it comes out just right, you feel like you're feeling yourself, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna continue to cut and shape my curls, and yeah guys, this is it. This is how the look came out. If you guys like it, please let me know in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, support your sis, support your girls, subscribe to my channel. And this is the finished look. Please let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Let me know. So just remember, stay beautiful guys, stay blessed. I love you all, and I'll see you all in another one of my videos.